How to downgrade the Xiaomi Mi 11X or the Poco F3 or the Redmi K40 from MIUI 13 to MIUI 12.5 or MIUI 12. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can downgrade your Poco F3 Mi 11X, Redmi K40, same device, from MIUI 13 to say MIUI 12.5 or MIUI 12. Now, what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader and you need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install TWRP recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of the video. Now, as you can see here, this is the Mi 11X, which right now is running MIUI 13 global build. Now, what you need to do is you will go into settings, go into about phone here and see your MIUI version. You will notice for me it says SKHINXM. So the important thing to note down over here is the two characters before the XM. So your third last and your fourth last characters, in my case it is IN, which means India. So this here is the Indian ROM of MIUI 13. Now, why do you need to know this? Because when you go to the link which is linked in the description of the video, you will land on a page like this. So herein you will notice you have your device name, branch, type, and MIUI. So this MIUI version is something which is super important. Again, you will notice that here you have RU. So this would be Poco F3 Russia. Similarly, if I go to Mi 11X India, you will notice it is IN over here. So you need to look for your device's MIUI 12 or 12.5 ROM, and again look for your device's ROM only. So this here IXMI would be global and EEA will be EU. Similarly, as I mentioned earlier, IN will be India. You can scroll through the different pages and find the one for your device. Now, which one do you want? You want the recovery one. So here it is. I'm taking the example of Poco F3 Global. Go into the download page and download the full ROM, and type should be recovery. Again, type should be recovery. Download the full ROM. Do not use the incremental update or the fast boot ROM. Again, do not use the fast boot ROM or the incremental update. You need the recovery ROM and the full ROM. Then the next thing I recommend you do is make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also, remember, we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you do have a backup of all those things. Now, coming back to the file. So this here is the file which I am going to use for my specific device, and here it is. This is Aloith in global, and you will notice it has IN, and this here is MIUI 12.0.4.0 based on Android 11. This is the recovery ROM full. We are going to downgrade to this one. Next up, go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Now, why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We are doing this because we are going to downgrade, perform a factory reset, format data, which means if you do not sign out of your accounts, you will have to sign back into them when you boot into MIUI 12.5 or 12 for the first time. And if you're comfortable doing that, feel free to not sign out. I am not comfortable doing that, so I just avoid it and remove all the accounts and security measures. And of course, make sure you do reboot your device once after you have removed all the accounts and security measures. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into our custom recovery, which in this case is TWRP, again the version which I am using is linked in the description of the video. So go ahead, turn off your device. Once the device has turned off, press and hold power and volume up. Once you feel the vibration, you can let go of the power button, keep volume up pressed, and pretty soon we should boot into our custom recovery, which again is TWRP. So I felt the vibration, let go of power button, volume up is still pressed. Here it is. We are now booting into our custom recovery. Team win splash image in the building. Here it is. TWRP, go into wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik and then swipe to wipe. Tap on the home button, go into install. This here is our internal storage. Go into the folder where you have downloaded the MIUI 12 or 12.5 recovery flashable full image file. In case you download the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. Select the file, and in case you want to keep your TWRP, make sure you select this option of automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM. All the other options are disabled. Auto reboot after update enabled, zip signature verification is disabled, skip digest is enabled, automatically reflash TWRP is enabled, reboot after installation complete is disabled. Next up, swipe to confirm flash, and there it is. You can see that we are now flashing MIUI 12 to our Poco F3, Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Now this process will take some time, so you have to be patient. Now once the process has finished successfully, you might get some failed to mount errors. Those can be ignored. So here it is. We are flashing MIUI 12, step 1 of 2, step 2 of 2. Then we are getting failed to mount, and in the next step TWRP is being installed one more time. Next up, tap on the home button, go into reboot, and here in select recovery we are going to boot back into our custom recovery, which again in this case is TWRP. So here it is, we are back in TWRP. We will go into wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Again, do note format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device. So make sure you have a backup of all those things, and then the next thing you need to do is perform a reboot system. And there it is. We do have the boot animation with 5G MIUI. So this here, as you can see, is the boot animation from MIUI 12, which means we have successfully downgraded our Poco F3 Mi 11X Redmi K40 from MIUI 13 to MIUI 12. Now, of course, the first boot up will take some time, so you have to be patient. And there it is, setup screen of MIUI 12. Let me skip the initial setup real quick. And there it is, we are on the home screen. Let us open the application drawer. We can go into settings, about, here it is. MIUI version is 12, Android version is 11, RKHINXM, and there it is, peeps. That is how you downgrade your Poco F3, Mi 11X or the Redmi K40 from MIUI 13 to MIUI 12.5 or MIUI 12. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.